Speaking about the Ichamati incident, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, said that the conflict happened in the state of Meghalaya and not elsewhere. While speaking about the protests in Kolkata, he invited representatives from the place to come to Shillong if they would like to discuss about the matters relating to the recent conflict at Ichamati.
The solution is in Meghalaya. If need be, the door is open. Come over to Shillong. Let us sit across the table. We discuss what are the issues. But don't make an issue outside the boundary. Because I think that is not, you don't get a correct message or you don't get a correct picture at all. As I said to you from day one, that unwanted incident has happened in Ichamati from day one. We assure, be it tribal, be it non-tribal, government is there, will make sure that law and order is under control and it should be as normal as it was before.